Good morning guys. So today I will start the work on my F10. I will start to change the body kit to the Msport look, front bumper, rear bumper and side skirt. So catch you once we start the work. The fitment, it came very nice. It's a bit dirty, we're gonna give it a wash. Only the reflectors, we still have it. We're gonna install them after when we wrap it, so then it will be easier. The front bumper and the side skirt, we're gonna install them tomorrow. So catch you guys in day 2. It's day 2, let's start work on the front bumper and side skirt. Come on, let's go to work. Front end is naked, down brace is on the car now. And I have been applying the BMW logo, the kidney grills, the fog lighting grills, everything is ready. So let's just go to install it. Such a warm day guys, but luckily we installed the front bumper, side skirt, the rear bumper. Actually, before the wrapping, I'm thinking to change the rims because they have the basic LCI. And the F10 have the M Sport kit now. Sorry guys for the bad quality, I know, but I promise in the future videos the quality will be higher. I have been working on the rims. I visited some stores, but unfortunately they are out of stock. Ordered online or try to find some way to get them. But guys, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, drive safe, and I catch you in the next video.